It is that time of the month again. It is April's Boxycharm. Y'all know the drill. I'm going to review all the products and try everything on. So I already started doing some of my makeup. I have opened this. I haven't touched anything yet. So let's just go ahead and get started. We got these Luxie brushes, the Artist Couture highlight, super excited to use that. This tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream, the Appeal holographic lip gloss, and a eyeshadow palette by Pure. Ooh, I'm excited to open this. First, we'll look at the brushes. These are the Luxie, the Summer Daze 3-piece brush set. They retail for $28. So the Luxie 512 is for contouring. The Luxie 245 is a small shader brush, and the Luxie 209 is the large shader brush. So I should have contoured with this, but I guess I could add just a little more. So I'll just go ahead and add some more bronzer. This is the Pretty Vulgar bronzer. I got this in one of my Boxycharms. Alright, well that does sculpt. Let's try to blend it out a little more. I mean, that's a sharp contour. Speaking of contours, so I totally watched the Jaclyn Hill How to Shave Your Face video and went on Amazon and got those razors, and oh my gosh, changed the game. My contour would always skip right here and right here because I am a freaking hairy person in general, I'm sorry, and my face would just, I didn't realize that there was just hair everywhere. And now that it's all like shaved off, oh my gosh, my highlight goes on like butter, my contour does. This is actually not a bad little contour brush. And then I'll take that bronzer again and I'll use this for my nose. We'll just do it a little bit. I'm gonna tap the excess off in my hand. Ooh, this is a good nose contour brush. So far the brushes are good. There's one more brush and I guess I can try to use this for my eyeshadow. I am snatched right now. I didn't mean for it to get that far. So next I'm going to dip into the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this retails for $27. So there was a sticker on the sifter in here and it exploded all over me. Love that. So I'm just going to take this little highlighting brush. Mine has a very, very pink shift to it. It looks gold, but it's coming off pink. That's just a very pink highlight. I feel like there's just a time and a place for it, but the theme of this whole box is festival, so that would totally work for most of y'all. Last thing for my face, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is the Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream, and it is $26 retail. I thought I was getting a liquid liner and not this. I really needed the eyeliner, and I'm guessing you pull this. Okay, so there's product in the butt, and then you got your wand, which I don't know if y'all can tell, but the wand is a little thick. I already messed up my brows with this. I don't like it. I'm being rude, I'm sorry, I just didn't want this product. Okay, I'm not like super mad at this product because it would work if you just needed to fill in holes and not do the whole line at the bottom, line at the top, you know, fill in the front, because it's just not very precise. Like if you wanted hair-like strokes, it's more like a powder, if anything. For $26, no thank you. I would stick to Anastasia or Benefit if you're gonna pay that much. Okay, and so last thing is the palette. I'm just excited to freaking open this up. Oh, and this is an eyeshadow primer in the little box it came in, so cut this open with my little scissors. That's a good shade for eyeshadow primer, and that's cool that they included it. So this is the Pure Festival palette, and this is also a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. What do y'all want me to do today? Oh my gosh. Do y'all see those glitters? That's insane. Who watched my Amazon pressed glitter palette? Oh my gosh, there's still glitter on beauty sponges, on my desk, in my eyelashes. It's literally the herpes of makeup and it's never gonna leave. I feel like I would want to know how to use this pink, how to use this purple, and a glitter. So, I mean, everyone, I feel like, can pull off a neutral look. So let's try to get outside the box a little bit. So we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna go in with the pink first. I have no idea how this is gonna perform. That is so cute. It's very pigmented, very blendable. So I'm gonna further blend out that pink with the shade Epic. I'm gonna wet the Luxie 245 brush, and I'm gonna pick up the purple, the shade Gypsy. And I'm just putting this kind of at the base. I'm not making it perfect. I just want the glitter to have something to sit on. Now that I just laid the purple down, I'm gonna do the outer corner, and I'm gonna take that first brush, and I think I'm just gonna mix All Night and Hidden Desert. Alright, and I think I'm gonna take this shade Fireworks, and I'm just gonna use my finger, tap it on the lid. Should I use a glitter glue? Let's just do it. I just don't feel like doing it. It's sticking though. Like there's stickiness to it, or you could probably just use an eyelid primer that's sticky. Like when I see eyeshadow palettes that have like one interesting color, I want to see a tutorial on that and how to use it. So that's kind of why I use, you know, the most outrageous colors. A lot of y'all like the more neutral looks. I get it. And so I'll try to balance. And then I'm going to try to take my brush and take that 24K Magic glitter and try to go closer to the inner corner. Oh, and that worked great with the brush. You'll see that? Oh, this is so cute, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner to the top and bottom and mascara, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and added the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner in purple, the shade of Vice, and I'll go ahead and just take that purple and kind of smoke out the bottom lash line. And I'm going to take a little bit of Free Spirit and put it in the inner corner. And honestly, we can probably take some more in 24K Magic and just... It's a festival look, right? Okay, so I added my mascara. I'm not doing lashes. I think it looks just as cute without them. So this palette, oh my gosh, I really like this. I think the two glitters are very pretty and definitely wearable. I know not everyone's gonna like the pink and the purple. I really like them. I think most palettes should have at least one pop of color, and you have plenty of colors to do many, many neutral looks. So honestly, I love this. I thought the pink was really good, and it's kind of like a sunset. I love it. So last thing is lips. This is the Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Gloss, and it retails for $21. So right now I have on a lip liner and lipstick. The lipstick is the NYX Lingerie in the shade Baby Doll. I'm just going to add that to the top. I don't like the applicator. It could be like bigger. I don't like how it pulls. Wow, barely anything's coming off. Barely anything is coming off. I've had to go over it like this like multiple times. I want some gloss to come out. Like it's cute after, like I have big lips. Okay, so I put it on. It looks glossy, it looks juicy, but I've had to do this like 30 million times. It's pretty, but it's not holographic. Just don't claim to be something that you're not. I think if you didn't have lipstick on under, it'd be probably easier to apply, but all in all, I guess it's cute. $21, not that cute. What do y'all think? I absolutely think this is festival. I love it. The highlight's cute. Could be a better shade on me. The eyes are definitely the showstopper with this box. So all in all, I paid $21. My value of this month's box, and the value of this month's box was $138. It's really good. All in all, a pretty good box. I think definitely the Pure Festival palette stole the show. I'm obsessed. I think this is so fun. So let me know what you guys think, and if y'all got different things in your box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see y'all next month with the next Boxycharm review. Bye y'all!